So the data class is a class that sort of like a structure in like C or Fortran. You define it like that. So variable 1, 2, 3, 4 was data type, and you can set a default or not, whatever. You can, if you don't set it, you can just delete this. And there's a few way to set the default. You can set it in this way, so that if you can pretty much as a function, it will give you an error if you don't have any default in the. You have to make the one that is not having default in the at the beginning, and then the one with default after that, just like a function. Here you can have, then you can violate that by getting the function field from data class, and then there's a default factory. Pretty much you can call a function to call a function. For this, I just have a random number from 0 to 1. And the post initiation is pretty much, this already is the initiation in the data class, but you can do a post initiation. For instance, you can do a description, add a description to the object. So this is pretty much similar to initiation in the normal class. And outside of the class, I created 3 objects. One is just define everything. Another is only define the first 2, and let those 2 try to find itself. And then the object 3 is just completely by the default. The one of the cool things about data class is you don't have to define the equal. It will already have a factory made equal to see if it's equal to each other, to basically check each attribute if they're strictly equal to each other. And I print out all the details of every 3 objects. Let's see what we have. So the frozen is pretty much, if you wanted to change, you can change frozen to true. Oh, frozen to true. If you don't want the data to be changed as soon as you initiate it. So pretty much you lock the data once you enter it. Yeah, not even within the class. Okay. Yeah, that's the data class.